Hey everyone, we're out here in front of a new John Deere C12F corn head this morning. Just wanted to talk about another product available through Sloan Express. Deere has come out with their own stock Stomper systems for the new heads, and Polytech we do a lot of business with on your skid panels for platforms or on your bubble up liners, those types of things, has made a skid panel for these now. And what that is just a skid panel you can actually bolt onto this stock Stomper. And as you can see, it's already got the pre-punched holes in it. Made to fit exactly onto this steel plate, and they do give you two pieces, so buying one of these actually gives you enough to do 2 rows. So kind of keep that in mind. We've also got it on the website that we kind of have that as a quick reminder. But one of the other things we definitely want to make mention of is you'll see down here you got this little guard. With this thicker panel going in here, it actually slips underneath this guard, so we need to put this shim in its place to lift that guard as well. That way you can slip that in, because how this is going to work is it's kind of going to slip down in there inside that guard. So we got to make sure we lift that out so you can get that underneath there to actually bolt that in place and keep that formed around that stock Stomper. Also, like I said, you'll get two of these little shims. That way you got them, and they will also provide you with the hardware to be able to bolt that in place. And it should also give you the replacement bolts to be able to change that out, because it will, means you're going to make that 1/4 inch thicker. You will need a longer bolt to replace that to make that work. So, yeah, like I said, great product. They've been manufacturing for a long time. If you happen to have any other questions on this product or other products that we have, check it out on sloanex.com or give us a call at 800-934-9777.